The Book of Psalms, chapter 147. Praise Yah, for it is good to sing praises to our Elohim, for it is pleasant, praise is fitting. Yahuwah builds up Jerusalem, he gathers the outcasts of Yahshar'el. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. He appoints the number of the stars, he gives names to all of them. Great is our master and mighty in power. There is no limit to his understanding. Yahuwah lifts up the meek ones. He throws the wrong ones down to the ground. Respond to Yahuwah with thanksgiving. Sing praises on a lyre to our Elohim, who covers the heavens with clouds, who prepares rain for the earth, who makes grass to sprout on the mountains, giving to the beast its food, to the young ravens that cry. He does not delight in the strength of the horse. He takes no pleasure in the legs of a man. Yahuwah takes pleasure in those who fear him, in those who wait for his loving commitment. Extol Yahuwah, O Jerusalem. Praise your Elohim, O Zion. For he has strengthened the bars of your gates. He has blessed your children in your midst. Who makes peace in your borders. He satisfies you with the finest wheat. Who sends out his command to the earth. His word runs very speedily. Who gives snow like wool. He scatters the frost like ashes, throwing out his hail like pieces. Who does stand before his cold? He sends out his word and melts them. He causes his word to blow, the waters flow. Declaring his word to Jacob, his laws and his right rulings to Yahshar'el. He has not done so with any nation, and they have not known his right rulings. Praise Yah.